Director, I think the system should have normally if you are to put a redirector for the first time, you come usually on the Chrome or Chrome based browser. You need to click on this ellipse line and you come to more tools. From the more tools, you're going to have extensions. So for the extensions, usually if there is a particular extension that is not needed, it can be removed so that you can have access to the Chrome, what is it called, to the store that has the called the Chrome Web Store. So on the Web Store, you click on this Web Store. The redirector application is actually called redirector. 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 So when you select the redirector on the screen, you can now select it and add it to Chrome, and it shows to add extension. So once the extension comes in, to come like this, and you click on the icon and say manage. Oh, sorry, click on the redirector. From the redirector, use edit records. So on the edition, you have this as an example. So back on the first site, you right click on the live and copy the link. You copy the link address. So you can actually either delete this or duplicate to pick a pattern from this and click on edit. So from the edit, you're going to be pasting the URL or this, especially this is the most important. The other ones can be just any name, but this very site must bear the exact URL address, and you are redirecting to back to the home page, and we go by this, we directing back to King, and when we save and go back to the browser and click on the live, it might not go through the live. It redirects back to the the sports URL. So also for either live score or flash score, if you are to redirect any of this, you can still duplicate. Go about duplicating to make things easy. Then that the redirection to Betking is already on the list, and here we're going to paste in the one for the live score, change everything. This time around, let's not use the fully qualifying domain name. Let's just call it flash score. Flash score. And here can call it flash score. It's not saving, so let's just change the name. The description will not be but the example URL is now cannot save. So when we try to go back to FlashCom, we won't be able to. So any website, any URL that you notice is going through on your system, you can be able to redirect them back to the usually the sports sites where they can book their game. So I want to copy this and open on a new tab, and from the new tab, when I click on the load to the site, it's loading back to Betking. So that is how to do redirection.